We have so we have the following word problem. Two rectangles together have the following measurements: x plus 3, 3x, x plus 5, minus 1. The area of both shapes together is 160 square units. Show that 4x squared plus 13x minus 165 equals 0. So here, first things first, we need to understand we have two shapes. We have one rectangle here, and then we have another rectangle here. These are my two shapes. And they're giving me the area of both shapes. What is the area of a rectangle? Area equals length times width. Sorry. Length times height, my bad. So we need to calculate the area of both of them in order to get our equation. So what is the area of the first one? Length 3x times x plus 3. And for the second one, we have x plus 5, x minus 1. And if we add both of them, the area should be 160 square units. So here what we need to do, now that we have the formula that we need in order to get our equation, we need to just expand and simplify what we have here in order to get our equation, the quadratic equation that they're giving us. So let's start expanding. This times this, 3x times x, 3x squared. Now times this, 3 times 3, 9, and x times nothing, it's x. So we have expanded the first one, the blue one, the bigger square, the bigger rectangle. Now we need to expand the smaller rectangle. So it's this times this, and then this times this. Or how, in whatever order you want to do it, you know how it works. So it's x times x plus x squared, it's positive. Now 5 times x plus 5x. Now x times minus 1 minus x plus 5 minus 1 minus 5 equal 160. I'm going to use green for this last part. 160. Now we've already expanded. That's expand, and we want to simplify now. So let's simplify. What can we simplify with the 3x squared? We have another x squared here, so we can put them together, and it would be 4x squared. 3x squared plus x squared equals 4x squared. Now, what else can we simplify? I'm going to change it to yellow. What else can we simplify? We can simplify 9x plus 5x minus x. And that would be 9x plus 5x. That would be 14x minus x. It would be plus 13x. Look at how this is starting to look like this from the top. And the 5 stays like that. Minus 5 equals 160. Now, our equation, as you can see, needs to be equal 0. So we need to change it to equal 0. So this goes to this side. It was positive, so it goes to the other side as a negative. So it would be 4x squared plus 13x minus 5 minus 160 equals 0. And now we can simplify this too. And then we get our final answer. 4x squared plus 13x minus 165 equal 0. And this looks exactly like this, which means it is right. Now, this instruction and this video is just for the part when they tell you that show that and a quadratic formula